Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to analyze the chart and how to predict the next candlestick. So I will first draw the channel pattern and see how the market is moving. Currently now the market is moving up, so I'm drawing the channel for me to graph how the market is moving, and there's a level here as well. Okay, so the sellers entered, and now there's a level here too. So that is why we see buyers entered. Now buyers has crossed this line, so buyers is going to enter again, going to place call option. Okay, so buyers, I place call option because buyers crossed this line, so buyers going to continue upward. If buyers close below, if this bullish candle close below this line, seller will still enter again, but it close above the line, so buyers will enter, then we got rejection from this level. Okay, so you see this is now the trend line. Still some gap, so buyers are going to continue to this level. Strong bullish candle. Oh shit, I'm going to place put option. So buyers reach this level, so sellers will now enter. Okay, buyers reach this level, sellers will now enter. I was expecting to go, I was thinking I'll go with buyers again because I think the candle will close somewhere here, but see a very strong candle quickly reach the level, so sellers will enter. Okay, now when sellers has entered, sellers got rejection from here, but not exactly at this point, so sellers is going to enter for 1 minute. So now you're going to expect weak bearish candle, got rejection from this level. So even though the sellers will cross this line, buyers is still going to enter again. Now is likely to cross this line. Now it has crossed this line, so buyers is going to enter again, and that will be my last trade. I can see some rejection from buyers. You can see rejection from buyers, meaning that some buyers at this area. And okay, very strong candle. Wow, very strong candle. Still the buyers is still going to enter no matter what. Going to place call option. Though buyers, they can't cross the line, but buyers is still going to enter. Okay, buyers is still going to enter for 1 minute, I think so. For 1 minute. Touch this line, then reverse. The buyers are entering. The buyers are entering. Oh shit, buyers are very weak. See, buyers are entering the market. Oh, come on, up. Oh shit, buyers are very weak. I'm going buyers here. Okay, So the buyers are very weak, and actually, though this candle did not form a green candle, I'm expecting a green candle, because though it still close below this buyers area, but still buyers should enter. But you see, buyers try to enter forcefully, but still they cannot enter the market to form a green candle. But now I can see that there must be some pressure from buyers with this strong rejection. That is why we see this strong candle. There must be some pressure from buyers. So these are the pressure from buyers, this strong rejection, meaning the buyers are pressurizing the sellers after getting a rejection from here. Okay, so one more trade, then I'll stop. So buyers, if buyers entered and did not cross this line, okay, go to place call option. Two more trades. I'm confused here why sellers still entered here. Check on 30 seconds. Okay, hammer candlestick. Oh, that is the reason why sellers entered. Hammer candlestick. So here buyers must enter. It's a must that buyers must enter. I can't go with sellers here. Even though, look at here, if I go with sellers, I will still lose the trade because of my entry. I still won the trade. So two more trades. You know, this is buyers area previously, which I expect the price to reach this area, then buyers enter. You see that, but now you see candle cross the line. This bearish candle break the whole area, and now I'm seeing a bullish candle inside the area. So sellers will enter again for 1 minute. Sellers will enter again for 1 minute. And what I'm seeing here is I'm seeing some kind of resistance zone, resistance area. So I think the sellers will enter here. Seeing strong sellers entry, sellers will enter here, break the lower trend line, come back again, retest, then continue down. That is what I expect. No matter what, seller will still enter. This is just like buyers trying to go up because of this strong bullish candle. So sellers entered. I think I should stop here. I lost this trade because of my entry, because of my mistakes. Okay, and I won this trade by luck because of my entry. So here I go with buyers because the trend is up, and the next level, the next buyers area, sellers area is here, which I expect the market to reverse. So definitely buyers is going to enter, and I go with buyers again because the next level is here. So buyers going to enter. But actually, when buyers reach that level very strongly, it stop at the same point. So sellers must enter. That is why I go with sellers. And I go with sellers again because there's still a gap. See this line and where the candle close. Even got rejection, but the rejection is not from the level. So there's still a gap to fill. That is why I go with sellers. But I'm expecting sellers to enter close here to go buy. But see very strong sellers entry. So anything can happen in the market. And here I lost this trade because I thought even though the candle will close below this line, most of the time I usually see this, even though it close this below this line, it's going, buyers still going to enter. But see, it got rejection, but buyers failed to form a green candle. See, weak green candle. After seeing this weak green candle, I thought the buyers going to enter, but still sellers still entered, and because of my entry I won the trade. Now when sellers entered, sellers become weak. That is why I go with buyers, because sellers did not reach this level again, meaning the market is now ready to go up for some time. Now I go with sellers because if you check this before, I was expecting sellers to close here to go with buyers, but you see the sellers crossed it. That means if price come to that same level, to that same area, the market is going to reverse. So that is why I go with sellers when price reach the area. So this is how you can also analyze the market, candlestick psychology. So if you like my video, like, shared, and subscribe. Thank you.